7 poisons for a fatty liver, cut them out now. Plus 7 best foods for a healthy liver. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely transform your health, your liver. Did you know that one of the most serious yet silent conditions affecting millions of people worldwide is fatty liver disease? The good news is, with the right knowledge and some simple changes, you can safeguard your liver and even reverse existing damage. In this video, we'll reveal the 7 poisons harming your liver that you need to cut out immediately. More importantly, we'll introduce the 7 best foods to heal and maintain a healthy liver. Stick around as we provide practical tips that are easy to follow. Your liver and your overall health will thank you. Your liver performs over 500 essential functions, including filtering toxins, producing bile for digestion, and maintaining metabolic balance. But when excess fat builds up in your liver, it leads to fatty liver disease, a condition that disrupts these critical processes. Fatty liver is often caused by an unhealthy diet, sugary or processed foods, alcohol, and a lack of exercise. Prolonged fatty liver can lead to inflammation, scarring, fibrosis, and, in severe cases, liver failure. The scary part? Many people don't even realize they have it until significant damage has already occurred. Some early warning signs include fatigue, unexplained weight gain, abdominal discomfort, and bloating. But don't worry, by tackling the poisons in your diet and embracing liver-friendly foods, you can reclaim your liver health and prevent more serious problems. Let's first look at the 7 poisons that harm your liver. Sugar might taste sweet, but for your liver, it's a bitter enemy. Excessive consumption of sugar, especially fructose found in sodas, candies, and baked goods, is a primary contributor to fatty liver. It forces your liver to convert sugar into fat, which builds up over time and causes inflammation. Cutting out sugary drinks and desserts is one of the first steps toward a healthier liver. White bread, pasta, and processed breakfast cereals may be convenient, but they're loaded with refined carbohydrates. These cause rapid blood sugar spikes, increasing insulin levels and encouraging the body to store fat in the liver. Opt for whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa instead. Trans fats are the villains hidden in processed foods like fried snacks, cookies, margarine, and fast food. These industrial fats are notorious for raising bad cholesterol, causing inflammation, and severely stressing your liver. Always read labels and avoid products containing hydrogenated oils. Excess alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver damage. Your liver is responsible for breaking down alcohol, but when overwhelmed, it creates fatty deposits and inflammation. If you drink, do so in moderation, or better yet, cut it out completely for better liver health. Frozen meals, canned soups, and deli meats often contain shockingly high levels of sodium. Too much sodium leads to water retention and puts stress on the liver, contributing to long-term damage. Swap these out for fresh, minimally processed options and check sodium content on food labels. Artificial sweeteners, food coloring, and preservatives may make food more appealing, but they come at a cost. These synthetic chemicals cause oxidative stress and inflammation in your liver. Avoid ultra-processed packaged foods and opt for natural ingredient alternatives. Foods like red meat, full-fat dairy products, and deep-fried items are rich in saturated fats, which can worsen fat accumulation in your liver when consumed excessively. While fats are necessary, focus on healthier sources like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. By cutting these items out of your diet, you're already well on your way to protecting your liver. But knowing what to avoid is only half the battle. Let's shift focus to what you should eat to heal and strengthen your liver. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are liver superheroes. They're rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins and reduce fatty deposits. Including a daily serving of greens in salads, smoothies, or stir-fries can work wonders for your liver. Garlic is a natural detoxifier packed with sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, helping to flush out toxins. It also contains selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidants in your liver. Add it to soups, stir-fries, or roasted vegetables for both flavor and functionality. Blueberries and cranberries are small but mighty when it comes to liver health. They're loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect the liver from inflammation and oxidative stress. A handful of berries daily can make a meaningful difference. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce liver fat levels and inflammation. Aim to include these fish in your diet twice a week to reap their full benefits. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that enhance the liver's ability to process fats and toxins. Swapping sugary drinks for a couple of cups of green tea each day is a simple but impactful change. Avocados are not only delicious but also brimming with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients help the liver eliminate toxins and repair damaged cells. Incorporate avocado slices into your meals or use them as a base for spreads. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, both of which are essential for liver detoxification. Consuming a small handful as a snack or adding them to salads is a great way to support liver health. Each of these foods offers unique benefits, but together, they create a strong foundation for liver restoration and overall wellness. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself when given the right tools. These nutrient-rich foods help repair liver cells, reduce inflammation, and enhance its detoxification efficiency. Over time, a clean diet can improve your liver's overall functionality, translating to better energy levels, weight management, and long-term health. Pair these foods with proper hydration and regular exercise to amplify your results. Even small changes in your daily habits can lead to big improvements. If all this information feels overwhelming, don't worry. Start small and prioritize progress over perfection. Here are some actionable steps you can take today. Prioritize whole foods. Replace processed snacks with fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and lean protein. Rebuild your pantry. Stock your kitchen with liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, garlic, and healthy fats. Cook mindfully. Use olive oil or avocado oil as alternatives to unhealthy trans fats. Swap out drinks. Replace sodas and sugary beverages with water, herbal teas, or green tea. Plan meals. Create simple dishes incorporating these liver-supporting ingredients, like a spinach and garlic stir-fry or grilled salmon with a side of avocado salad. Monitor portions. Even healthy foods should be consumed in proper portions to avoid overloading the digestive system. By focusing on these practical changes, you'll set your liver up for long-lasting success. Your liver is your body's silent workhorse, but it's also one of the most forgiving organs. By cutting out harmful substances and embracing healing foods, you can prevent serious conditions and improve your overall health. To recap, eliminate the 7 liver poisons: sugar, refined carbs, trans fats, alcohol, processed foods, artificial additives, and saturated fats. At the same time, invite 7 powerful foods like leafy greens, garlic, berries, fatty fish, green tea, avocados, and walnuts into your diet. It's never too late to start taking better care of your liver. Every small step you take today is a step closer to a healthier, more vibrant you. What changes will you make first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier liver and a happier life.